pulling up directions now. And go. So, good morning, Wayfam from Berlin.
I'm Ashley, this is Josh. Welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world, and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that little bell for more adventures.
Let's go. Yes, we are on our way for the second to last travel day of the year.
Oh my gosh.
We're headed to Copenhagen to go hang out with some friends before we head home for Christmas.
We're headed by land, not by flying,
Right.
So we're going to take a bus today, which is really fun, and the bus is going to take us on a ferry.
So we have to take a train from Berlin to the edge of Germany, and then we're going to take a ferry from there on a ferry. We can take a bus, from there on a ferry to Copenhagen.
It's pretty cool. I'm excited.
Yeah.
Übergang zur U-Bahn-Linie 9.
Something I am going to miss leaving Germany is the pastries and coffee. Look at this pastry. Yum. Their bakeries are amazing here.
So we have come to the Berlin Central Station, or whatever it's called. It's a big long word with some acronyms after it. We actually came here way earlier than we needed to catch our train. But now, after breakfast, we're gonna go find our train to a place called Rostock, which is in the north of Germany. The reason we're doing this is because we still have our Rail Europe passes. In fact, today is the day they expire. This is our last day to use our Rail Europe passes. So again, if you don't know, Rail Europe gave us some tickets a couple months ago now. They were good for 3 months in several different countries throughout Europe for up to 5 days of travel. And today is our 5th day on the last day. And we're gonna use it to its full extent, go to the edge of Germany, and then take a bus into Copenhagen.
So this train's only supposed to be about 2 hours, 2.5 hours, and then we take about a 5-hour boat/bus ride.
I didn't know the boat/bus was that long.
Yeah, it's pretty long because we're going across the water and then we have to go up into Copenhagen. Like,
Are we landing?
Not literally across the water.
Are we landing on Denmark?
Yeah.
Okay, so we don't have to go through Sweden or anything?
Nope, we're going intercontinental on a boat. This is our second time this year doing that. We went from Estonia to Finland earlier this year on a boat.
Is it a different continent though? It's still the European continent. National?
National.
I mean, it is international. I don't know if it's a different continent. I'm just curious. That's the curiosity in me.
Are you questioning me or they question me?
Here's a question for you guys. Is Denmark on a different continent than mainland Europe? Maybe it is.
No.
I don't think so. Considering that Iceland is on the European continent.
It's Europe, yeah.
Yeah. We're going international today.
Wartet auf Gleis 4 am selben Bahnsteig gegenüber. Kommt Sie am Anschluss an Regionalbahn nach Wesenberg.
We have 2 hours to kill before we have our bus ride, so we're gonna have a sandwich. I'm gonna read a little bit, and I think Josh is going to edit what I edited on the train.
So once again, our eternal thanks and gratitude to Rail Europe for making these trips, these train trips, the last couple months awesome. We've wanted to do train trips for a while, but because we travel continuously, it's outside of our typical budget. But this is my favorite way to travel Europe. So if you plan to do any train travel while in Europe, I would definitely look into a Rail Europe pass. We'll put the link in the description down below. I would check them out. They were kind enough to give us a free pass to share with you guys. So if you want, check them out. There's all kinds of different deals. You can get single ride tickets. You can get multiple ride tickets like we've had. lots of different options. Anyways, like Ashley said, I'm gonna get back to editing, and then we have a bus ride for a couple more hours. So as best we can tell, the bus station is just on the other side of the train station. I got the video edited, it can go up tomorrow, and we're gonna catch our bus to the ferry to Denmark.
I don't know. We need to get a Flixbus. And from what I saw, the station was really close. Rostock Central Bus Station, so... But you don't have Wi-Fi right now?
No, I don't, and there's no Wi-Fi at the station.
Wow. And we don't have a lot of time either.
I see some people standing over here.
We can't just stand somewhere though, we don't have
No,
time.
I know, but if we can find an info station, we can ask them. Alright, we found it.
We were on the right track. I just asked the lady in the store and she confirmed, so we're here.
Do you have a seat?
Not here.
Alright. So no assigned seating?
No. Our bus was supposed to be at 1:40 and it's here at 1:55, so we're on time. We're gonna go on a ferry. We gave them our stuff. What?
Can you speak at a normal volume, please?
There's somebody. It's so
Okay.
It's so quiet in here. Nobody's talking, but it's full. The bus is full.
Here. Hey, you can speak into the mic.
The bus is full. A lot of people are in here, but nobody's talking. It's really embarrassing.
Okay, that's really not working at all.
About 2 hours, he said, here on the ferry to get to Denmark, and then yeah, so everybody had to get off the bus. We didn't know, so we sat on there, and then he told us we had to get off.
Fancy looking ferry.
It's kind of like Seattle. It kind of feels like the ferries that are close to our house, but it looks nice, yeah. Fresh. This is like a cruise ship.
This place is massive.
This is a huge store on the ship. I told you, it's like a cruise ship.
This is the best cruise ship
so
I've ever
nice.
seen. Yeah.
But we're gonna get a drink. We're thirsty. What do you want?
Tuborg, since we're going to Denmark.
Here's Carlsberg too. Look, a little Christmas one. This is the one you want?
I might have to get that one.
Santa and a reindeer.
So €6.30 for 2 beers and a bag of chips. Not bad.
Living it up on the ferry boat.
I just gave them all my coins. That was my goal.
Our ferry boat ride is over. We had our snacks finished up and now we're going back on the bus. I think everyone's on the bus but Josh. He went to use the restroom and I haven't seen him yet. Freaking close call. I started the engine and I went down there. I was like, my husband's not on the bus yet.
Yeah. I know the way to Copenhagen.
Yeah.
So Tobias and Emily are old friends. In fact, if you want to check out some videos that we did last year, right here is our old playlist from Denmark. We had a really good time. I was sick during that time for a small period of a bit. This time we're coming back and they have a new apartment, and on top of that, we have no plans. So we're just gonna enjoy Copenhagen for Christmas. Alright, well, we fell asleep and we had dinner and we hung out with Tobias and Emily, and now it is the next morning.
Yeah.
Which we have this fantastic air mattress. It's great. It deflates slightly in the night so that you get cocooned in a little.
We were
yeah, we're like
together.
"Brrrk," in the morning when we woke up. That's always fun. But anyways, today actually we are just gonna get some work done, and then tomorrow we're gonna go out into Copenhagen and probably film something. But for now, we just have a bunch of work to do.
Yeah.
So that was a long day. What was your favorite part of the day?
Oh goodness. The ferry boat. I was not expecting the ferry boat to be so posh. It was so nice.
Yeah.
Like a buffet, a whole shop. It was crazy.
Yeah.
Super nice.
It was like a cruise ship in a way, but you were only on it for 2 hours.
It was like the perfect time when the sun was going down.
Yeah.
Oh, we got to see that. That was awesome.
That was pretty cool.
And Josh almost missed getting back on the bus. I was all worried. I had to go down until...
I didn't almost miss. We sat on the bus for 15 minutes before he moved after I got on.
You know that though?
I was pretty sure that 5 minutes after announcing you should go back to your cars, they weren't immediately taking us off the bus.
When we had to get off the bus, Josh had been sleeping, so he literally was not paying attention. So he and this other lady got lost trying to find the bus.
I didn't know where it was. I found it. I went to one place, it wasn't there. I went to the second place, it was there. Therefore lost.
Our bus driver turned on the engine, and I was like, my husband's not on the bus yet. Because they were like the last people on the bus.
Again, Ashley's freaking out.
Oh my gosh.
Anyways, that was pretty fun.
I'm adding drama, Josh.
Oh yeah, that's
People
right.
love the
That's
drama.
right. We did a live
Stop
stream
it.
and people were like, "You need more drama." Sorry. Yeah, I almost missed the bus, you guys. It was crazy. Ashley almost went to Copenhagen without me, and then I would have had nowhere to go.
I would have left him because I can't leave our bags. So.
Oh, that's true. See, that's smart. That would have been real good drama. Anyways, we are in Copenhagen. We're gonna have a great time with some friends. But for now, I hope we encouraged you to get out there and travel today, and we will see you in the next video.
See you later from Copenhagen.
How do you say goodbye in Danish?
I don't remember.
I don't know. Bye.